What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Let's head inside, see what we can buy to find, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Wow, that's the first time I ever messed up my intro. That's kind of crazy. Let's go. All right, the colors on sale today are white, blue, and red. So that's what we're looking for. Odds are I'm not going to find any of that today. Usually on sale days, oh, there's a red. White is 75% off, blue is 50%, and red is 25% off. This is an interesting game. Never seen that one before. Set it off to the side. We'll look into it. Hour to Victory. Another one I don't really see. I don't think they're going to be worth much, but hey, you never know. Modern Warfare 2, great game. Not really worth too much. Actually, some of the Call of Duty games have gone up in value. I think this is a good one because they're all backwards compatible now on Xbox One. So I might have to do a little bit of scanning real quick and see if we get anything good here. Alright, we are in the electronics section and I spotted something pretty good that I'm actually not going to grab, but I wanted to show you guys. Right here, it's a Sony, and you can see right there, SLV-D30P. They want $7.99, which is a great deal. I actually have a bunch of these that need to be tested, so I'm not going to grab it. But I'll pop the price up here. You guys can see how much these things sell for, like 150 bucks. It's pretty crazy. They always get broken in shipping though. Alright, so I'm going through all the toys here, and ooh, this is actually kind of cool, this model plane. I was going to mention something else, but I'll mention it in a second. Let's look this up. This is $10. Ooh, a little expensive, but you never know. It is brand new sealed. Let's scan it in. Alright, so I scanned that barcode in with my Amazon seller app, and here's the listing. The picture took a while to pop up. There's no rank, 3 reviews, only 5 stars. Nobody's on the listing. It's something I'd leave, especially for 10 bucks. You might be able to throw it up for $40, $50 and get a sale. I don't know. I'm definitely leaving it. Another really cool game I just found right here, Operation SpongeBob. And this one I think is a more affordable, yeah, $1.99. Much better price. Look at SpongeBob right there, looking cool. This thing sells, you guys can see it up on the screen right here, for pretty decent money. I love crossover games. When you find Clue that has to do with another brand, you find Risk that has to do with another brand, and Operation, right? Monopoly, all those can do really well. Throw that in the cart. But take a look. Here's my tip for you guys. When stores are running sale days and you come a little bit later, you can't find many with the sale colors. So I actually look for the colors that aren't on sale. So green is what's being put out right now, I believe. And these ones, you know, are all worth it. A lot of people are trying to specifically look for the red, the blue, the white, the ones that are on sale. So I found a whole bunch of cool little toys here. I didn't look up this Trivial Pursuit yet, but it's kind of neat. We got a bunch of little Funko Pops down there and some good games. I'll pop a couple prices up here so you guys can see how much some of these games are selling for. Parcheesi's a definite bolo. This is a game that you want to keep an eye out for. It sells really well. I don't know why it sells for so much, but it does. And this one's only $2, so that's a score. And then of course the Scrabble, the little robot, little barbecue game, which I don't think all the pieces are in here. It's pretty light, but it's only $1, so I might just grab it anyways. Alright, you guys can see what I'm looking at here. I'm not finding anything else on the shelves. There's a lot of things that could be worth money, like Monopoly Here and Now World Edition is pretty good. We'll scan it in together. This is $1.99. There's the barcode on the bottom right there. Let me grab my phone. Alright, we have my Amazon seller app pulled up. We're going to hit up the barcode right here. If it'll focus, there we go. And you can see this game right here sells pretty well for $27 used. You'd make about 15 bucks. New, it's almost $100. That is crazy. The reason why I'm not getting it, even though I could make about $13 profit, is all the pieces. There's so many pieces to count, the money. I hear everything shaking around in there. It's not terrible, but the box is also pretty massive. We're gonna double check real quick because sometimes that lowest price is just an outlier. Maybe it actually sells for 30 or 40. Let's take a quick look. Nope, 26, 26, 26, 31. So yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'll leave it for someone else. That's not too bad. A little less work for me to do. All right, we found another really cool game here, Flippin' Frogs game. It's only, where's the price? 99 cents. Take a look at that, guys. Easy money. Pretty cool. Feels pretty heavy, so there might be some stuff in there. One thing I hate seeing on these vintage games, AAA batteries are needed, which means they might have been left in here and exploded, and it could be damaged and not be worth it. But at 99 cents, I'm willing to take that risk, so let's throw it in the cart. And pretty good find so far. Maybe I'll go check CDs. I haven't done that in a little while. All right, I'm looking at the top of this little area here in the ladies section, and every once in a while you'll find something here. Got Thomas and Friends, no, not worth it. You'll usually find some interesting kitchenware or things like that that's worth some money here. Or somebody stashed a Ravensburger puzzle for $5.99. Was red half off, I think, or 25% off, so $6. Was that like $4 or $5? Let's take a look. All right, here it is. We have a 1,000-piece Ravensburger kind of board game puzzle, and boom, pretty decent rank, selling for $25, and I think I'll be paying about $5 for it, so I'll profit about 10. That's pretty easy. Good thing I took a little detour down this aisle and didn't just whiz right through. We'll see if we can find anything else hidden up here. Calligraphy kit. No, probably not. All right, that about does it up here. Well, this is a deluxe pool filter. Oh, a skimmer basket. I know some pool stuff can be worth some crazy money. I'll take a quick look. All right, so the pool skimmer at $13 is not good. You guys can see right here. You guys can see right here. Great rank, lots of reviews. Only $23, so we'll leave it behind. All right, this is everything I grabbed. I think I'm gonna head out of here and go to another Goodwill and make this a 2-for video. So we're gonna leave, we're in line right now, and let's go to another thrift store. All right, there's 3 GoPro Hero 8s. 2 of them are brand new. This one is new, but you could tell that the box is all damaged. I'll profit $50 on this and like 80 on each one of these, so I gotta go to the ATM. All right, we just left the thrift store. I got my cart. I got the 3 GoPros. After tax, it was $478. So I'll end up making about $45 on the one that's really damaged, the packaging. And the other 2 should be over, I don't know, 90 bucks, 80 bucks each. So not too shabby. I'll definitely take that. They should flip super fast also. That's why I grabbed them. Here we are at the next stop, Goodwill. Let's go. All right, time to grab a cart. So it's always just maybe a little bonus stop, and hopefully I find something here. We have a little Halloween inflatable kitty there. I don't know if it's for sale. Doesn't look like it. Got some masks, some Funko masks. These are probably all from Target. I don't know. They don't have prices on them. Yeah, it says only at Target. $20. Are they just charging Target prices? I'm not sure. All right, they're getting out all their costumes and stuff just in time for Halloween. That's not really what I'm interested in. Oh my gosh, look at all of these. They have costumes for days here. I'm more interested in this kind of stuff. Hey, I've sold Quirkle a few. Hey, oh my gosh, we got a few good ones here that I've been selling recently. So $3, that's a decent deal if that's complete. Make some money there. We got a Connect 4 SpongeBob. I'm pretty positive I've sold this. We'll look up in a minute. And this Hannah Montana Girl Talk. I could have sworn mine was bigger than this. I had like a full-size one, or maybe it was Hannah Montana Mall Madness. That's exactly what it was, not this. So maybe this is worth it. Who knows? We have a Disney Pictionary, might be good. What do we have down here? Another Disney Picturica. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of scanning and see. Oh, there's a little Civil War game right here. And we're gonna see if any of this is worth it or not. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a few things that are. We have a whole bunch of puzzles. One thing I like is it looks like these all came from the same place. So it was probably one person that did them all and just donated them all at once. And they're all $3. I bet you they're all complete and in really nice condition. Not positive though, but yeah, look at all these. These are all new here. So I'm just gonna scan around and see what we got. All right, so out of all of this stuff, I didn't actually look at that Ket laser game, so I guess I'll check that. Were these 2 that were worth it? So the SpongeBob and the Quirkle, which I had a feeling, Hannah Montana, not so much. But these ones, easy money. I just have to make sure the pieces are in there. All right, so I just left this side of the board games and I came to take a look around this side, and look at this. All of these CDs are brand new sealed. all of them. So we might have just hit the jackpot. I'm hoping so. There's a lot here and not a lot in here. So let's give it a start. Let's go. All right, I just went through every single one of the sealed CDs on the top and the bottom. And yeah, we scored. Absolutely massive score. I'm obviously the first one to come in here. This is awesome. There's some in here, like I'll just grab this random one and pop the price up for you guys. They're selling for like $40. Ranks a little high, but it will sell. It's only $1. They're all only $1. The majority of them are going to be cheaper than that. Most of them, like we'll pop this one up right now. I don't remember what it's going for, John Barry, but the majority are selling for between $12 and $17, somewhere around there. But I'll still be profiting between $5 and $10 a piece on a bunch of these. There's a few where I'll only make a buck or two, which is okay if the rank was really good, so I'm very happy about that. I also noticed they were putting out new VHS tapes, and I thought I saw this out of the corner of my eye while he was putting this here. Big comfy couch, definitely something to keep an eye out for. There's 2 of them. This one's got pen all over it, sadly. But let me scan them in, see what they're going for. Usually they're going for about $20–$25, so we'll check this orange one first. I probably wouldn't grab it because it is all drawn on unless the price is really good. Here it is. It doesn't show the rank most of the time on VHS. They do not tell you how fast or slow they sell, but it has 9 reviews, so it will sell. It looks like it's going for about $25, so yeah, I hit the nail right on the head there. 15 bucks after fees, and it is only $1. I do not like the pen all over the front. I don't like to sell stuff like that on Amazon. This one's in much better condition. It's only $1. Watch, this one's going for like 10 bucks. Should be around 20–25. Yep, there we go. And they almost always are. Here it is selling for $28.98. You'll make 18 bucks. Make sure it's the correct one in there. Red light, green light. Slide it out. Red light, green light. So this will go in the cart. The other one I'll leave behind just because I mean, it's not terrible, but I don't like to mess with that. We'll leave that behind. Somebody else can grab it if they want to. This is different. I've never seen this. Sesame Street celebrates around the world. It's kind of cool. Let's see if this is worth anything. Most of the time, all of these things on DVD aren't worth a lot, but on VHS, they just happen to be. Here it is, lots of reviews selling for 21 bucks. You'll make $12 after fees, so that's 11 for me because my $1 buy cost in the cart. Very happy about that. I don't think, well, the best of Ernie and Bert. This looks pretty old. Let's take a quick little scan of this here. See what pops up. This one's not as good, has some reviews, some for $14.88. You'd make $6.77 on it. It's a little lower than I like for VHS tapes, so we'll leave that behind. The Mac, I've sold this on DVD a couple times. I wonder if it's worth anything on VHS. Let's scan it in and see. Not on Amazon VHS, so that's fine. Leave it behind, no problemo. And I think that about does it for the VHSs. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else down here. What's this, Mighty Mouse? No, that's not gonna be anything. Oh, we have a brand new sealed one right here. Cinema Paradiso. I think I've heard of this. Oh, it's actually brand new. A lot of times you'll see VHS tapes wrapped up and it's always a reseal. You can tell it's legit because it still has that Warner Home Video stamp on the bottom there. So let's scan this in, see if it's worth anything. Yes it is. All right, brand new, selling for 18 bucks. So I'll make about a little over $8. It's close to 10. It's brand new, sealed. I'll take it, stick it in the cart. Happy with it. All right, now I think that about does it. It says Time Bandits. It's pretty cool. I don't see anything else here. Yep, no, let's check out the rest of the store. Alright, we are over at the toy section, and one thing I love to find out in the wild are these Xbox 360. You can tell it's Xbox because the logo's right on it. For $5, Rock Band 2 guitar. You can tell it's a Rock Band 2 guitar. I'll pop up a picture of Rock Band 1. I'll actually pop up the Amazon listing of Rock Band 1. Still sells for over $100. The whole neck right here is kind of a cream color like the top there. The Rock Band 2 has this wood grain color. It's It's wireless. I already opened up the battery cover and it is clean in there, so this should be over $100 on Amazon. Easy money, I'll take it. Throw it in the cart, and yeah, this Goodwill ended up being a great stop. We'll check the glass case down there, and then I think we'll end up heading out because I'm not finding anything else here. All right, glass case just has this little Hot Wheels thing that's used, and no video games or anything. There is an ET guy right there, which is kind of cool. What's up? And yeah, I guess we're heading out.